hold on before you scroll past this video because what I'm about to reveal could completely transform your YouTube income, and you probably haven't even heard about it yet. Right now, as we speak, there's a massive shift happening on YouTube that's creating millionaires out of ordinary people who discovered this one unexpected trend that most creators are completely ignoring. I'm talking about creators who went from 0 to 6 figures without ever showing their face, recording a single piece of footage, or spending thousands on expensive equipment. Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this underground movement is reshaping the entire YouTube landscape, and more importantly, how you can jump on this trend before it becomes saturated. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes that nobody's talking about. The YouTube algorithm has fundamentally changed in the past year, and it's now heavily favoring a specific type of content that requires virtually no traditional video production skills. We're seeing channels with 0 subscribers exploding to millions of views within months, using nothing but artificial intelligence tools. The secret weapon that's driving this revolution is something called AI-powered faceless video creation, and it's turning the entire YouTube game upside down. Think about it for a second. What if I told you that some of the most successful YouTube channels you watch regularly aren't actually created by humans sitting in front of cameras? What if those engaging educational videos, those captivating storytelling channels, and those viral compilation videos are being generated by sophisticated AI systems? This isn't science fiction anymore, this is happening right now. And the early adopters are absolutely crushing it. I recently discovered creators who are pumping out multiple high-quality videos per day without spending more than 30 minutes on each one. They're covering trending topics, creating engaging thumbnails, writing compelling scripts, and even generating professional voiceovers all through AI automation. But here's where it gets really interesting. The traditional barriers that kept most people from succeeding on YouTube have completely disappeared. You don't need expensive cameras, lighting equipment, or years of editing experience. You don't need to be comfortable on camera or have perfect speaking skills. You don't even need to come up with original ideas because AI can analyze trending topics and create content around them automatically. The numbers are absolutely staggering when you look at what's possible. Creators are reporting income increases of 300 to 500% after switching to this AI-powered approach. They're able to test multiple content strategies, simultaneously optimize for different audiences, and scale their operations in ways that were impossible with traditional video creation methods. What makes this trend so powerful is that it's solving the biggest pain points that prevent most people from succeeding on YouTube. Time is no longer a constraint because AI can generate content in minutes instead of hours. Cost is dramatically reduced because you're eliminating expensive equipment and software subscriptions. Consistency becomes achievable because you're not dependent on your energy levels, mood, or creative inspiration. The psychology behind why this works is fascinating. Audiences don't actually care whether content is created by humans or AI as long as it delivers value, entertains them, or solves their problems. In many cases, AI-generated content is actually more engaging because it's optimized specifically for audience retention and algorithmic performance. But here's the crucial part that most people miss. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about amplifying it. The most successful creators using these AI tools aren't just pressing a button and hoping for the best. They're strategically leveraging AI to handle the technical and time-consuming aspects while focusing their human insight on strategy optimization and audience connection. The window of opportunity for this trend is still wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. As more creators discover these AI tools, the competition will naturally increase, and the early mover advantage will diminish. Right now, we're in that sweet spot where the technology is sophisticated enough to produce professional results, but not yet mainstream enough to be oversaturated. The specific tool that's leading this revolution is called Tube Magic AI, and it's essentially like having an entire video production team working for you 24/7. It handles everything from topic research and script writing to thumbnail creation and SEO optimization. The creators who are getting rich from this trend aren't necessarily more talented or creative than you. They just discovered this tool before everyone else did. If you're ready to join this underground movement and start generating serious income from faceless YouTube videos, then click the link in the description down below to try it out.